Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, as a property manager and a mommy, why do I just feel like the government is literally punching me every new day? Here I am trying to find help for my tenants, and what happens next? Oh, no bill yesterday. Nope. Instead, wait and see McConnell is going to wait until Monday to submit his written proposal. He honestly sounds like the dude who didn't finish his homework on time, and he knows that he didn't even start it, but he's instead coming up with BS excuses as to why he didn't get his homework done. But in a sign of really happy news, I really want to thank the over 500 of you who subscribed to my channel yesterday. I saw that and you literally made my day, and I'm now at over 14,000 subscribers, and I'm just literally jumping up and down. If you haven't yet, could I bug you to maybe consider subscribing? I would definitely appreciate it. Anyway, next up, the stimulus checks and payroll tax cut. The Treasury Secretary, Mr. Steve Mnuchin, is looking at the next $1,200 stimulus checks being a redo of the first check. That'll be fast and easy, and we probably won't have to re-sign up on that portal or struggle to figure out if we're eligible or not. If you got it the last time, you just get it again. And if that's true, that's good on one hand, but it's bad on another. The last time, dependents like college students and senior dependents didn't get any stimulus check money. Only dependents under 17 years old got $500, or rather their parents did. And here our government goes again, taking the easy way out when there were big mistakes and flaws in the last round. This is good news though, because it does mean that the $1,200 checks wouldn't be limited to people making under $40,000. That was something that Senator Mitch McConnell had suggested over the last few weeks. Now, this is still just a mention, so this is not a confirmation. Also, the stupid payroll tax cut just won't die. My tenants won't be able to afford their rent with a dumb payroll tax cut. The payroll tax cut seems like a business incentive that sounded like a good idea after maybe like 3 glasses of Trader Joe's red wine and some chocolates one evening. But it just seems like the idea is not going away. Just for clarity as to why I say that, the payroll tax cut would take most people more than 6 to 10 months to get the entire benefit from. Like, come on, just give people a check, please. Anyway, the White House is now thinking of having a separate bill, kind of like a mini Phase 4 bill. This little mini Phase 4 bill would include liability protections, an unemployment boost, and funding and credits for schools and students. But not the stimulus checks, which is basically a big flare signal that stimulus checks might be delayed. Because if they do a piecemeal bill like that, I think all the pressure will be off to get another stimulus check out, which is very frustrating. Then we won't see the next stimulus checks until like September, conveniently right before the election. On tenants, the tenant eviction ban ends Friday. I'm happy to say we have no tenants to evict, but that's because those tenants of ours who need support are on unemployment. I'll keep you updated on that though. Hopefully nothing changes, no evictions. I definitely don't want that to happen. Regarding the Paycheck Protection program, it looks like this will be targeted to businesses making less than 50% of the money they made the same time last year. On real estate, if you have not yet taken mortgage forbearance, I highly encourage you to do so. Kevin posted a video yesterday breaking down exactly how to take mortgage forbearance and some scams to avoid as well. In coronavirus and lockdown news, I am still stuck in strict quarantine. It's very sad, it's very tough, and I'm sure a lot of you are in the same position as me, especially with having kids in the house. It's just really tough. I'm really tired of constantly being locked down and not being able to see my friends or anything like that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.